So if you watched my last video, you must have seen how I prepared this rice water. You might not see the color here because I'm using a red plate, but it actually has a color, not so clean. So it has been fermented. So I'll go ahead and show you how to apply this on your hair. So while applying it, I'll add a little of my hair growth oil. If you don't have, you can add any oil of your choice, because this will stay longer on your hair and you need your hair, moistured. So I added my own hair growth oil, just a little drop, and then this is what it looks like. Yeah, oil and water can't mix, but we will still use it that way. So I have this my hair in this section for some days now. I'll go ahead and loosen it because I need it massage into my hair. So I'll loosen this and I'll be right back. So I'm done with it. I think I just have one left, so I'll go ahead. So this is how I actually loosened it. I was dipping my hand into the rice water and then going ahead to loosen the braids gradually, gently. You don't have to pull your hair or even cut it or even tangle them. So you have to be gentle with your hair because it costs a lot of time to take good care of it. So when you go outside, people are admiring it. There's a reason. So yeah, we are done finally. So I'll go ahead and apply to the each sections gradually. So this is how you can apply it without spray bottle. I'm outside my house. I visited someone, so I don't have my spray bottle with me, but it won't stop me from applying my rice water. So here is how you do it. You first of all start from the root. You massage the rice water into your hair. You indirectly also detangle your hair with it, making sure that each strand gets that rice water, because it makes your hair shiny, it makes it grow, and then thickens the hair as well. You can see how thick my hair is. So just like that, massage, detangle, rub it all over, exactly like that. If you have a spray bottle, it's easy to apply, but I don't have mine now, so I'll still use it. Don't forget your edges. This is the beauty of your hair. You can't have long hair and you don't have edges, my dear. So in order to secure this, I will twist it, loose twist each of them. So I'll go ahead and do this same thing to other sections of my hair. I just wanted to show you people how to do it. So I'll go ahead. Ta-da! So I'm done with every one of them, and you have warning, you have to wear clothes that you will wash it after applying your rice water, because it will drip all over you. So I'm holding all my hair is quite long, so I'm tying it with a hairband. Then you can cover it with a plastic bag. This will secure the heat, because you need some warm feeling, so that it will penetrate into your scalp. And then in order to secure my plastic bag, I'm going to use this hair scarf to tie it and hold it firm, because I'm going to get busy after this. So I'll be carrying this for an hour or two, or as long as I can, because the longer you carry it, the better. But don't take this to sleep, okay? Yeah. So I'm just securing my hair tie. So rice water has a lot of benefits. It has been helping my hair to grow. Although I'm not quite for some time now, I've not been quite consistent, but I'm back with it. So I'll be back after some minutes, but I won't show you guys. So this is how you apply a rice sauce. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Please subscribe if you're new. Share this video. Bye.